we're going to head over to RSG to do the 500-mile checkup on the Toy-Tech suspension lift I had done. But we're also going to pick up the new rock sliders that just came in for me. So we're going to go over there, pick those up, and then come back here and get those installed. There they are, rock sliders. I need to pull these out and open them up and check them out and get them on the truck. Hopefully it won't be too hard. So since I'm still in my work clothes, let's get changed out of these, and then we can pull those things out. Now that I got changed, let's try to get these things out of the truck. That's done. Let's unbox them. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Left side. Right side. Remove all components from packaging and inspect for accuracy. Please notify us immediately if you have any missing or incorrect parts. Remove factory aftermarket steps. Unbolt the KDS skid plates, KDSS lines, and emergency brake bracket from the frame on the driver's side of the vehicle. Luckily I don't have KDSS.
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah, tons of fun.
Hey, that's pretty sharp. They tell you it's just simple though, right?
Oh yeah, it's relatively simple. It's just this thing is 50 pounds. So trying to get it balanced up there.
Yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't fall off.
Yep, it definitely shouldn't fall off. It's got 12 bolts on it, so.
Well, have fun.
Will do. Relatively easy once you get the first couple bolts in. So you can kind of see I use some buckets and wood to prop this up until I get the first couple bolts in, and then once you get those in, they all kind of line up. So we got one side on, so now it's time to do the other. So then we'll cut off the protective wrapping. Take off the brake lines. Okay, now that I've got that handled, give it a quick spray down and wipe down, get all the dirt off. One thing these things aren't is light. These are about 50 pounds each. Helps if I take the plastic off. Or the wrapping. So, got that all done. Now it's time to eat because I'm starving. So,
Dinner's on the counter.
dinner's on the counter. So, that took probably about 2 hours to do. So, not too bad for one person, and using some buckets and bricks and things like that to hold it up. So, I'm gonna go eat. Okay? See you later.